What if you could press one button and wake up to passive income of $4,410 or even $8,700 from Spotify, Audible and Apple Books without writing a single word like we did? I know that sounds impossible. I know you've heard big promises before, so let me just show you something real in the next 4 minutes, because what I'm about to reveal is already working for hundreds of people who had zero experience, zero equipment, and zero idea where to start. They just had a button. This button. Here's the thing nobody tells you about the audiobook market. It's generating $6.5 billion a year. Spotify is expanding audio content aggressively. Audible adds millions of new subscribers. Every quarter, Apple Books just opened their catalog wider than ever before. The platforms are hungry for content, but getting in. That was the problem. You needed a finished script, a professional narrator, recording equipment, mastering software. Then you had to manually format and upload to every platform separately. Most people spent months and thousands of dollars just to publish. One book most people gave up, and the ones who didn't, they were still leaving money on the table because they couldn't publish fast enough to keep up with demand. Until now. Introducing AudioMint, the world's first fully autonomous AI audiobook system. You type a topic or speak it out loud, and AudioMint writes the complete script, narrates it in a studio. Quality human-like voice, ads, background music and professional audio production generates the cover art and platform metadata and then publishes it automatically to Spotify, Audible, Apple Books, Google Play, Kobo, Barnes & Noble and more. All of it in under 60 seconds. No writing, no recording, no editing, no experience. No monthly fees, just one button. Let me paint you a picture of what this actually looks like. You open AudioMint. You choose a genre, let's say true crime. You type in a topic. One click and then you watch. A title appears. Chapters form, the script writes itself line by line. Then a voice begins. Warm paced. Emotional. Real music fades. Audio levels balance automatically. A cover generates description, written, keywords placed, platform formatting done. Upload begins Spotify, Audible, Apple Books, Google Play, and before you finished your coffee you have a live published income-generating audiobook on every major platform on the planet. That's not a demo, that's AudioMint. Every single time. Marcus had zero experience. Published his first audiobook in 12 minutes, got his first stream notification 2 hours later. Jordan published 11 audiobooks in 3 days, made $3,200 in month 1. Priya now offers audiobook production as a $1,500 agency service. Her cost? These aren't outliers. This is what happens when the barrier disappears. When you get AudioMint today, you get the full audiobook income system, the AI book generation engine across 16 genres with series builder included, the AI voice narration system, studio quality, emotion-controlled multi-accent, the professional audio production. Music mastering, branding, export, the AI packaging engine, cover art, descriptions, metadata, all of it. The auto-publish system, one-click distribution to 10+ platforms. You get the trend discovery engine that tells you exactly what topics are hot right now. You get 16 preloaded genre markets: horror, romance, true crime, sleep, stories, finance, children's books, and more, all pre-built with proven hooks and templates. You get the AI series builder so you can create multi-part audiobook catalog that compound your income over time, and you get a free commercial license. Meaning everything you create, you own 100%. Sell it, stream it, keep every penny plus 5 premium bonuses. Including the Fast Start Playbook, Monetization Mastery Guide, Genre Domination Guide, Client Acquisition Pack, and Lifetime Updates. All of this for a single one-time payment. No subscriptions, no API costs, no recurring fees ever. And if for any reason it doesn't work for you, just send us an email. Within 30 days we'll refund every single cent. No questions, no fine print. All of the risk is on our shoulders. And here's what makes this truly unfair in your favor. Any audiobooks you create during those 30 days, yours. Any royalties those audiobooks earn, Yours to keep, even if you refund. Guarantees like this don't come along every day. Neither do opportunities like this. We're that confident. And what AudioMint delivers? Here's the truth. The audiobook market is wide open right now. The platforms want content. The listeners are there. The income is passive once it's published. The only thing that was missing was a way to get in without spending months and thousands of dollars to do it. That's what AudioMint solves. One button, unlimited audiobooks published everywhere, earning always. Click the button below right now before the one-time price disappears, because the next person who visits this page might see a monthly subscription instead. Don't let that be you. I'll see you on the inside. Let's build your audiobook empire.